Hello friends, welcome back. I Vaishnavi Patil, and in this video we are going to do this poem, that is the Puli of class 10th. It's a request for you all guys, if you have not visited this videos or this series in which we are going to complete the poems, and we have already completed with 7 to 8 chapters as well as poem. So if you have not visited to that videos, so it's a request, instead of jumping on second unit, you should first complete the first unit. Okay, so what you do is, first unit आप खत्म कर लियो, then you come on second unit, and second unit first do that connecting the dots and other chapter. So it would be beneficial for you all guys to complete the chapters line wise. Clear? So today's poem which we are going to do is the Puli. Okay, what it is exactly trying to explain you, what the poet is trying to share you, or what the message he want to share to you. So these are the things which will help you to do. Clear? So ये सारी चीज़ें अपन को करनी है, और हमारे पोएम का नाम है द पुली. ओके, चलो, instead of wasting more time, we'll move further and we'll start the topic. Topic name is the Puli. Now the Puli. टॉपिक क्या है? द पुली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जॉर्ज हर्बर्ट 1593 to 1633 was a Welsh poet. He was a priest by profession. Profession मतलब क्या होता है? उनका जो काम है, वो का क्या काम करते हैं? If somebody asks you what your father do, you say my father is police. The police is profession. Okay, उनका काम है वो, तो profession is your work. Okay, profession is something, your work. He wrote religious poem with a lot of imagery and conceit. The poem exhibit a strange but two-way relationship between God and his worshippers. Okay, so there is two relation between God and worshipper. Though he has showered मतलब कि बोलते ना blessing को shower करना. Showering क्या होता है by the way? Showering is something. Showering is what? कि blessing shower कर, blessing दे रहे. Okay, bestowed upon his worshipper with all his blessings. Somewhere he hold them up with a pulley drawn to be grateful to him in all their endeavor. ठीक है, so he have tell the relation between the worshipper. Worshipper means one who worship the God. ठीक है, God और worshipper का दोनों का relation बताया. किसने बताया? पोएट ने बताया. Okay, clear? For individual, God gives so many precious gifts to the devotee, but at the same time, God also expects something in return. What does he expect? Why does he withhold? ठीक है, अब पूछते हैं कि क्या मतलब एक्सपेक्ट क्या कर रहे हैं? हम तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत करवा के रखते हैं गॉड से, राइट? We usually whenever go to temple, we pray, we join our hands, bow our heads. At that time, what we do? We immediately come up with the minds which all things you want, right? The person, the human being want. He will never say whatever you have given to me. There are only 1% people out of 100 who will say that whatever you have given to me is best. The thing which you have given to me is priceless, so I would be thanking you for the same thing. ठीक है, जो भी आपने चीज़ें दी उसके लिए मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ. ठीक है, ऐसी चीज़ें आप किससे बोलोगे? गॉड से बोलोगे. ठीक है, his worshippers with his best blessing. Somewhere he hold them with. अब बहुत 1% लोग, जैसे मैंने कहा कि वैसे होते हैं. 99% people are of this mentality that they, whenever they join the hands, they immediately ask for the things which they want. Okay, they will say that please God give me some knowledge, help me to boost the energy. So these many things, there are conditions, there are way, okay, to ask the God. Clear? So these many things, there are immense ample of things which you ask from God. Clear? So what you do is whenever you feel like asking something to God, you should be also giving something back to him. What you have got is God's gift. What you have today is God's gift to you. What you will return back would be God's, you would be like yours gift to God. Clear? He has short bestowed upon his worshippers with all his blessings. Somewhere he hold them up with a pulley drawn to be grateful to him in all their endeavor. God gives so many precious gifts to the devotee, but at the same time, God also expects something in return. What does He expect? He withhold? अब एक होता है कि you have never seen the God, right? You have till today, in future, it is impossible to see a energy like this. Okay, you have been always praising to a statue. Okay, you are always praying to a statue, and in future you are going to continue with the same. Then what exactly the God is expecting from a worshipper, from a human being, is the main question, is the main doubt. Okay, now let's see. The pulley shows how God lifts man towards himself with the pulley of restlessness. What is distinctly metaphysical about the poem is that a religious notion is conveyed through a secular scientific image. Okay, कहते हैं the pulley shows how God lifts man towards himself with the pulley and restlessness. What is distinctly metaphysical about the poem is that a religious notion is conveyed through a secular scientific image. Okay, next. Now let's begin with the poem. Hope so it is visible. Okay, let's move. When God at first made man, जब भगवान ने इंसान बनाया, at that time, when God at first made man, having a glass of blessing standing by, let us, said he, pour on him all we can, let the world's riches which dispersed lie. Riches मतलब wealth, bounties मतलब wealth, which dispersed, why dispersed मतलब scattered. जब बच्चे डिस्पर्स हो जाते तब वो थोड़ी एक जगह रुकते, पूरी जगह स्कैटर्ड हो जाते कि नहीं. हाँ, तो उसी तरह. ठीक है. Having a glass of blessing standing by, let us, said he, pour on him all we can, let the world riches which dispersed lie, contract into a span. अब क्या समझा आपको इससे? What you got by this? What you understood by this first of all? क्या था, जब ह्यूमन बीइंग वाज क्रिएटेड एट दैट टाइम, whatever energy, whatever intellectual, whatever intelligence God have, he have compared it with that he have a glass of knowledge, everything, a glass of, ठीक है, and then he pour everything in whom human being, किसके अंदर, किसके ऊपर डाल दिया, सारे human being के ऊपर डाल दिया. ठीक है. Let us, said he, pour on him all we can, let the world's riches which disperse lie, contract into a span. Next. So strength first made a way, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. We almost all was out, God made a stay. Perceiving क्या होता है? Becoming conscious. Perceiving मतलब पहली बात तो notice होता है वो. Okay. That alone of all his treasure rest in the bottom lay. Okay. Rest in the bottom lay. So what do you understand by second paragraph? So strength first made a way. पहली बात तो strength ने अपनी जगह ली थी. Yes or no? फिर आई अलग अलग चीज़ें, फिर आया तुम्हारा डिसिप्लिन, फिर आता है आपका नॉलेज, फिर ऑनर आता है, प्लेजर आता है, फिर ब्यूटी आती है. When almost all was out, God made a stay. जब सारी चीज़ें बाहर थी, ठीक है, जब सारी चीज़ें थी इस दुनिया में, तब भगवान ने स्टे लगा दिया. Perceiving that alone of all his treasure rest in the bottom lay. For if I should, said he, bestowed his jewels also on my creature, he would adore my gifts instead of me. Adore means love very much. And rest in nature, not the god of nature. So both should lose away. क्या होता है ना कि बोलते हैं ना भगवान फिर आपसे ये चाह रहा था, वो चाह रहा था, जो भी चीज़ हो, ओके, और गॉड वॉज गिविंग टू द ह्यूमन बीइंग, एट एंड ही पुट अ स्टे ऑन दैट. ठीक है. अब क्या होता है ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू वांट क्रिकेट के लिए खेलने के लिए बैट चाहिए, ओके, इफ यू वांट बैट, ओके, and what happen is you ask it to your dad for it, okay, he is ready to give, okay, when he said that he will give, even he brought for you the new bat, you were happy. After 2 years you see that your friend has the most beautiful, most precious bat, again very nice than you. Now your enjoyment would be like highest level, that this time you are going to ask some new bat, right? But already you were having, okay, this time also your father gave it. Third time you ask for the new one, even he gave third time also. When it comes to fourth time, he will put a stay that you have 3 bats, now it's of no use getting new one, okay, in place of that you. So in the same manner, God was giving everything what we need, okay, but he put a stay on it. You know why? Because everything, if you will get in the same manner, if you will get everything from dad, in future it would be like, whatever you want, it is the duty of the dad to give. If you want, if dad won't give you the thing which he love, which he want, the student want, then after some times he will not respect the dad. ठीक है. वैसे ही जब गॉड सब दे रहा है, सब नेचर दे रहा है, he have to put a stay. Why? What is the reason behind that? If he won't put a stay on that, then the thing would blunder. Why? The reason behind that is, what is the reason behind that? The thing would blunder. The thing would blunder. The reason behind that is, you will not respect the thing which we have. Yes or no? Will not respect the thing which we have, because whatever we are getting easily, we won't respect it properly. So if we are getting everything free by God, then again we'll disrespect the thing which we are getting. Okay. For if I should, said he, bestowed the jewel also on my creature, so both should loser be. Yet let him keep the rest, but keep them with ripening restlessness. Let him be rich and weary, that at last, if goodness lead him not, yet weariness may toss him to my breast. Okay, weary क्या होता है भाई अभी? What do you mean by weary? Weary is tired, बहुत tired. ठीक है. Repining restlessness दिया है इन्होंने, continuous anxiety. ठीक है, continuous anxiety. Let him keep the rest, but keep them with ripening restlessness. Let him be rich and weary. Weary means बहुत tired at last, that at last, if goddess leads him not, yet weariness may toss. Toss मतलब यहाँ पर दिया है कि throw close him to by, throw close to my breast. अब कहते हैं ना कि एक ह्यूमन बीइंग जो होता है, ही इज़ ऑलवेज एंशियस फॉर हिज फ्यूचर, राइट? क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, व्हाट वुड बी थिंक, हाउ इट विल टेक द टर्न इन दिस मैनर, दैट मैनर, मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर. ओके, इफ दिस थिंग हैपन्स इन दिस मैनर, क्लियर? अब बहुत सी चीज़ें होती है, राइट? समटाइम्स इट इज़ नॉट इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैंड, राइट? ही हैव टू बेग फॉर इट टू द गॉड. So whatever things you want, sometimes in future, whatever things you want in present, sometimes in future it can lead to you in your life, right? So sometimes it's better not to think more, take more, have more. Okay, clear? जॉर्ज हॉबर्ट ने लिखी ये पोएम. ओके फाइन, विल डू इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. ये पोएम बड़ी इजी थी, छोटी सी थी. अब देखते क्या है वर्कशॉप में. So English workshop, with the help of the clue, pick out words containing the letter A from the poem and build a word pyramid. What you have to do, with the help of the clues, pick out words containing the letter A from the poem and build a word play. An article. Article is A, right? A preposition. जो ए से शुरू होता है, ऐसा कौन सा preposition है? See it in the box. जिसमें ओ ए हो तो भी चलेगा. Maximum length of your open palm. मेटाकार्पल नहीं, मेटाकार्पल ये होता है, मेटा ये होता है. ठीक है, विल डू दैट. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग. हॉबर्ट्स पोएम द पुली डिस्प्ले डैश एज द टू मेन थीम्स: origin of morality, spirituality, origin of species, origin of universal galaxy, origin of earth space. earth space लिखा है, ठीक है. The theme of the poem the pulley is dash. Find two correct statement from the given alternative. The theme of the poem the pulley is to focus on the mechanical operation of pulley. No. To teach a lesson to creation man by the creator. Yes. To know the different gifts bestowed on the man by God. To remind man about his creator on his exhaustion. God pulled man towards him by making him restless and weary. Okay, third is the answer, third and fourth. In the poem, the pulley is considered a mechanical device, a gift to mankind, an image to lift objects, an image by which gods compel. A gift to mankind. ये हो सकता है. Dash is an example of pun from the poem. Rest is in the bottom lay, so strength first made away. ये हो सकता है. Next. Dash an example of paradox from the poem. This is again figure of speech. When I'll be teaching figure of speech, then you will come to know what it is exact. Dash an example of synecdoche from the poem. Again synecdoche आया. Alliteration क्या होता है? जो word repeat हो रहा है हर बार. अब यहाँ पर क्या repeat हो रहा है? Repining restless. See R और R repeat हो गया. Repining restless. So this is the answer. Okay. That's an example of inversion from the poem. Inversion होता है क्या है? Which sounds grammatically wrong but it is actually grammatically right. तो उसे कहते हैं inversion. Okay, next. Contract into a span. So both should loser be bestowed his jewels and rest in nature. Bestowed in jewels. ये वाला नहीं. Okay, then next. The rhyme scheme of the poem is. चलो देखते हैं. What would be the rhyme scheme? Man can. A. By lie. B. So it should be A. B. And can span. मतलब again A. Next. So strength first made a way. Stay. Pleasure. Treasure. Lay. So again it's A. Okay, so आपको मिल गया. So rhyme scheme would be A, B, and A. Okay, next. So rhyme scheme is A, B, ए बी ए, तो ऑप्शन मिल रहा है आपको, फोर्थ ऑप्शन में है ये, ठीक है. सो आंसर वुड बी 4. नेक्स्ट, discuss and answer in your words and write in your notebook. What the poet has used the word rest thrice in the poem. Write what it implies. You can write it by your own what it have been exactly used for. Okay. Next, discuss with your group and justify the title of poem The Pulley in your own word. Pick out 3 lines that contains monologue of God. Pick out 2 lines that contain the following figure of speech. Pick out the 2 lines that contain एंटीथेसिस. क्या होता है, टू ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स आर देयर हो देयर, ठीक है. तो आपको ढूंढना है एंटीथेसिस क्या होता है, एलिट्रेशन और इन्वर्जन. कोई बात नहीं, बहुत इजी है ये. Now what do you mean by antithesis is again important. Antithesis is something in which or where, कहते हैं ना कि in one sentence 2 opposite words are there, that is known as antithesis. Clear. antithesis क्या होता है आपका, एक sentence में 2 opposite words होते हैं, उसे हम antithesis कहते हैं. Alliteration is something where letters and words are repeated, ठीक है, sound of letter and words are repeated. Okay, so इसे कहते हैं alliteration. Inversion in which, जहाँ पर poem में the lines of the poems are framed in that manner, it sounds that it is grammatically wrong but it is actually grammatically right, that is known as what, inversion. Clear. तो मैंने तीनों बता दिया. अब आपको 2 एग्जाम्पल लिखना है फ्रॉम द सेंटेंस. अब पहला क्या था, एंटीथेसिस, राइट. अ ग्लास ऑफ ब्लेसिंग स्टैंडिंग बाय, अ स्ट्रेंथ फर्स्ट मेड अ वे, द ब्यूटी फ्लोड द, ठीक है, आउट एंड स्टे, ठीक है. एक तो निकलो, एक तो रुको. सो दिस इज वन सेंटेंस फॉर एंटीथेसिस. विल मार्क इट. Okay, so that was one sentence for antithesis. दूसरा तो let him be rich and weary that last, but keep them with ripening restless, yet let him keep the rest. ठीक है, rest और keep दोनों है. keep भी नहीं, दोनों rest में जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. if goddess lead him not yet weariness, may toss him to my breast, no. and rest in nature not the god of nature. oh, so both should लोजर बी, ठीक है. द वे आई टोल्ड यू टू फाइंड एंटीथेसिस, वैसे अब एलिट्रेशन के लिए ढूंढते हैं. व्हाट इज एलिट्रेशन, वेयर लेटर्स आर रिपीटेड. सी राइपनिंग ऑफ रेस्टलेस, तो ये एक एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं फॉर एलिट्रेशन. आर रिपीट हो रहा है, सो वी कैन से दिस लाइन विल ऑल्सो कम अंडर एलिट्रेशन, ठीक है. इस लाइन को हम एलिट्रेशन के अंदर लिखेंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट, इफ गॉडेस लीड हिम नॉट येट वेरी नाई, मे टॉस हिम टू माई ब्रेस्ट, नो. सो बोथ शुड लोजर बी एंड रेस्ट इन नेचर नॉट द गॉड ऑफ नेचर. इसको भी ले लेते हैं. एन रिपीट हो रहा है हर बार, अगेन एलिट्रेशन. Okay, clear. Now next, alliteration is clear. Now inversion in which we find that it is grammatically, we think that it is grammatically wrong but it is actually right. ये most probably poem में होता है, that is inversion. and rest in nature not the god of nature, this is come under inversion. but keep them with ripening less, let him be rich and weary that at last, ठीक है. इसे भी हम कहते हैं इन्वर्जन में. Okay, clear? So we have done with two example of this. Okay, next. रेस्ट इन द बॉटम ले पुन बिकॉज अब आप बताना इसको बेस्टोड दिस ज्वेल ऑन मेटाफर क्या होता है इनडायरेक्ट कंपैरिजन है ट्रेस्ट नेचर रेपिटेशन क्या होता है नेचर नेचर वर्ड रिपीट हुआ है ना यू टेल दिस ठीक है क्रिटिकल अप्रिसिएशन ऑफ द पोएम इन पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेट यू हैव टू राइट इट नेक्स्ट इज विथ write the paragraph on the point in each block given below to get a summary on each of the 4 stanzas of the poem. ठीक है आपको क्या करना है कि आपको पॉइंट्स के हिसाब से आपको पैरा लिखना है. God created man, best creation offered blessings. Okay, with the help of this you have to write paragraph. God gifted man beauty, wisdom, honor, etc. Did not give rest. Man, if happy or content, forget God, instead worship gift. Man needs to be reminded of the giver. God made his life discontentment. So man is lifted with a pulley towards him. Okay, with the help of this you have to make a what you are supposed to make a paragraph. ठीक है, I would have helped you. ठीक है, starting में भी कुछ है वो देख लेते हैं. Okay, go through the following images and try to link them with our life. For example, storm, hardship that we face in our life. ठीक है, storm से hardship we faced in our life. Next, sorrowful moment. Sorrowful moment कौन सा हो सकता है? You are supposed to give example. Determination related to studies, determined. Strength, energy, power. We are supposed to go to gym and life is beautiful. Honor, the human being is no love honor though he don't have money then too. Hopes that we require to achieve our dreams, fulfill our goals. Okay, wisdom is knowledge, beauty we know. You may have often indulged in talking to yourself audibly. For example, oh dear, why didn't I get up sooner? Okay, you may have often indulged in talking to your audibility. For example, oh dear, why didn't you get up sooner? Yes, we usually, if we are late waking up, at that time we do this, right? Clear? Next, let me finish this quickly and then I will be free. How silly of me. So these are the sentences we use in our daily life. Okay, so this is how we have done with the poem, that is The Pulley. ठीक है, हमने ये complete कर दिया. We have done with this The Pulley. Okay, in which the relation between worshipper, that is we, and God, that is been depicted. Okay, ये तो हो गई है. अब मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि जो इससे पहले सारी जो पोएम हुई है या फिर चैप्टर हुए हैं, आप उसमें थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए, क्योंकि दैट चैप्टर्स आर एक्चुअली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट टेल्स मैनी मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन बताते हैं वो. स्टोरी लाइन इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग. ओके, इट्स टू अमेजिंग. क्लियर? And if you have any doubt related to this topic, what you do is message down in the comment section so that I would reply you directly. And if you have any doubt further in any of the chapter, please message down in the comment section. I will be personally helping those guys who have doubt related to this topics. Okay, and do watch the series. First we have the chapters we have completed and further will complete. Okay, and stay tuned in the next video, and God bless you. Thank you.